My name is Raul Martin. This is my wife, Lisette Martin. We just moved to North Carolina, and my wife wasn't aware of the leaf situation in autumn. And I warned her, I said, be prepared for this because it's going to be crazy. And our house, our roof got all full of leaves and everything was clogged. I've always wanted to do LeafFilter. I've seen it on commercials, and I knew it had to be a good product. Go ahead.
So our salesman explained everything to us, and he was awesome. And he finally talked me into getting LeafFilter.
Taught us.
Right. And the installation was for the following day. The installation there was never any problem. The install guy was really good. He answered all my questions while he was doing the job. He left everything as is. And thank God, autumn stopped, the leaves stopped. But now I know what's coming. And I'm very glad that we bought that product.
And also the installer reinforced the gutters. He said they were very weak, so he reinforced it. So I thanked him for that.
Yes. Our home is like 20-some years old. We bought it sight unseen on the internet, and it has its problems. And one of the reasons also that we bought the product was that it keeps us from having issues with the foundation and all the other stuff that comes in with that leaks in the gutter. So
we're very happy with the product.
Yes, we are.